But back then, he said very famously at that time, anybody who doesn't lament the collapse of the Soviet Union doesn't have a heart. Anybody who wants to recreate it doesn't have a brain. And that, to me, kind of captures who Putin was in that first period as president. Remember, Breth and Kudrin worked for him. Vladimir Putin puts through the flat tax, right? Capitalist America, right-wing America has never met we haven't done it yet. I haven't checked recently, but lots of countries have failed to do that. These guys did that. 13%, by the way, income tax. They brought down the corporate tax 35 to 24. They did a bunch of kind of liberal economic reforms. We can evaluate whether they mattered or not. But I just tell you that because at that time Putin was listening to this group. He didn't know the economy, and so he took advice from these people. Over 8 years, a couple of things happened. One is the economy grew, mostly because of oil prices, not because of the flat tax, although flat tax, I hope, had something to do with it.
Read my blog.
I'll read your blog. Okay, fair enough. But the point is, the economy grew. Putin got very confident in his own ways of governing.